everybody, Kimberly here, and I just wanted to say hello and catch up with everybody. Let's see, I guess last time I posted was a couple of days ago, and I was just getting over the nerve root block. It usually takes about a week, maybe a little more, to really know whether or not it was successful. This one, however, I feel already a noticeable difference, and during my time being here so far, I have not had one spasm. In fact, I want to say it's been about 2.5 weeks, and this is after they were coming on several times a day. It seemed to be getting worse. So now having none at all is just really, I couldn't be happier. And so third nerve root block, then Discogram. Not a fun experience. This is something where you are awake and they, take it looks like a needle, maybe it is a needle, and they go in and touch each nerve. And whichever one sends you screaming straight to the top of the ceiling is the offending nerve. And in that case, once they identify one or more nerves, they will design a plan and decide how they're going to attack it in terms of burning the nerve, which has an official name. I will look it up again to let you know, but essentially they're burning the nerve, and that should give either lasting permanent relief or usually about a year on average for people who don't get that complete benefit. I'm very optimistic that I'm going to get the complete benefit and not have to have this done again. And the reason I say that is because before coming in, I had already stopped taking my nerve medication. I didn't realize it, but after the second nerve root block, it wasn't hurting as much, and I had kind of forgotten until I was here getting the third one, and they asked me what my medication list was, so on and so forth, that when I listed the release, the long-acting gabapentin, I had to go back in the calendar and look, and it had been about 2-3 weeks. So at this point now we're going on about a month, so that's excellent. That means that I didn't even notice. So the horrible spasms that were coming all across the bottom of my foot, the back of my leg, all the way up to my groin area. This was happening several times a day. It seemed to get worse and worse and worse. And then of course, that crazy, nerve root firing to the brain, telling me that I was in a lot of pain when I wasn't. That has subsided. I have a little bit of numbness just on the ball of my left foot and part of the toe, but not enough that it's even slightly uncomfortable, but I notice it. So tomorrow I will, let's see, tomorrow is, excuse me, official Discogram, so I'm not going to be in great shape. I may or may not do a video to let you know how it is, because I hear it can be pretty rough. And then we'll figure out the offending nerves and burn them. So a lot of information to cover. If you have been following me, you know what a journey this has been. It's very unfortunate. Very likely I'm going to be here through Christmas, and that's very disappointing. I don't want to cry. However, this is the last time I will spend another Christmas in a hospital, and it's probably the best gift that I could have given myself and to my family, especially to my son. So feeling better every day, and just wanted to share with you what was going on, and hopefully I do feel well enough tomorrow to fill you in on the Discogram. All right, take care everybody, have a great night. See you on the other side. Bye.